Hey, what's up everybody? This is Arthur from AG Boys, and today I'm going to show you how to do oil maintenance on a 1998 EK Civic Coupe, the EX model. Step 1. Grab your keys. Check mark. Step number 2 is to go to your car. And also I have the all the items that I need for this oil change in the trunk. Alright, so these are all the items I need for the oil change. First you need your oil filter and your oils. I usually use 3 quarts of oil, but this is gonna be how I gotta get the job done right here. Right now I'm just gonna park it at a flat surface, so if I just get the more room to do the oil change. So I'm just like moving the car on neutral to let it roll back, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and park at a flat surface. Once I park the car, I'm gonna go ahead and grab some tools that we need. Okay, so these are all the essentials that I'm going to be using. I'm using like these two 2x4s because my car is pretty low right now, and I also have to buy a low profile jack. So this is how I use the 2x4s. I just like put them under the tire, so like once I roll it up, I will have more space to jack up the car. Okay, so once I got the wheels on that 2x4s, I use the jack to lift the car at a safe height. Also, like these 2x4s, it came into play when that jack was able to slide in easily. Then I've also used bricks here to have a more safety precaution in case the car rolls backwards. So I also added jack stands to have more safety precaution over on there and right there. Next up, you need an oil container. One to catch oil and the other to put in the used oil to take it to the shop. The next step is to put the oil container under the oil pan. Then you get yourself a ratchet with a 17mm socket, and then you would like to put it on the bolt that is on the oil pan. Then twist it to the left, and then it should come right off. I already got the bolt loose in advance, so we're about to drain the oil right now. Okay, let's see. Make sure to do this quick because it might blast out. Oh, okay. And just let the oil drain. As you can clearly tell, this Honda Civic clearly needed an oil change by the color of that oil. To take off the oil filter, which is right here, try to turn it to the left. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. Alright, it came loose. Get through this quick, guys. Oh, see that oil? Once you take off the oil filter off, what I'm gonna do is basically put back the bolt here, and I'm just gonna clean off a little bit of the oil pan because a good amount spilled due from unloosing the oil filter. So what I'm gonna do is to put this bolt back inside, just like that. Now you gotta twist it to the right. Okay, so once I screw in the bolt back into the oil pan to the right, now I get the new oil filter, and I apply it with some new oil. And what the purpose is for that is for the next time when you take off the oil filter, it will come out smoothly. It will provide some lubrication on it. So just apply it over on the side, and we gotta go put this back into the right location, and we gotta go put in the new oil. Then we just gotta lower down the car now. Just like so. Okay, the funnel. Right there. We lube, and then we're gonna add 3 quarts of oil. And once you add in your 3 quarts of oil, go ahead and close the cap. Okay, and then you check to see if it's the right level of oil. And right now seems to be the right level of oil. Alright, we're gonna turn on the car and let it idleize for a bit, and then we'll check again. Alright, just gotta turn on the car. Once the car is idleizing for a bit, we just gotta drain the old oil into that container, so we can take it to like O'Reilly's or something to dump out the old oil. Alright, so once I let the car idleize, as you can see right here, we still need a little bit more oil, which I do have some more in the back. So what I'm gonna do is put in some more oil to get before the second circle, and we call it good. Alright, so once I put just a little bit more oil, the job is done. So yes, that's it. So thank you all for watching, and hopefully we see you in the next video. All right, bye.